So, are there any mental health issues or challenges in your life which you are facing right now?
Uh, yes, of course. I face a lot of challenges. So there's a lot of anxiety at times that I go through.
So, how do you deal with it?
Basically, I just give time to myself. I give time, and within that time, I do a lot of meditation, or maybe I spend some time alone with myself to deal with that anxiety.
So many people just think that meditation isn't the right thing for anxiety. They think कि बस ऐसे ही कर देते हैं. It's people just say कि meditation करना चाहिए but उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता anxiety में. So is that true?
No, I don't think meditation means just closing eyes and breathing and all of that. It can be anything, just spending time in the nature, or maybe just going out for a walk, or even if on the spot there's nothing else to do, just take a sip of water just to calm yourself or relax. So there are different ways of relaxing or handling the anxiety.
If I can ask you like what kind of anxiety are you facing? If you would be comfortable to share it.
Nothing specific as such, but in different situation, anxiety happens. So it's not all the time that is happening. So in different situations.
Like maybe overthink. You are overthinking stuff.
Yes, yes, of course. Overthinking happens a lot, or maybe if I'm working, so how are the other people judging me? So that judgment comes up.
So because of this, do you can't sleep at night and you just keep on overthinking कि अरे ऐसा हो जाएगा उसने ऐसा judge करेगा. Does this things happen?
Yes. So it definitely affects sleep. It affects a lot at times. So, but again, I told you that I, of course, do some kind of things that reduce my anxiety in a way.
Okay, so like even I go through overthinking and anxiety and stuff, and even some of my friends I know personally. So apart from meditation, is there anything else like you would like to tell how one can overcome?
Apart from meditation or maybe just talking to my friend who's here, so I always call her and I speak to her. So that's one thing that I do.
Okay.
So if I share my feelings or if I share my emotions with someone, so that's another way of overcoming that. If I keep it with myself and I keep on thinking about that, then it's very difficult for me to come out.
So at times, even we occupy ourselves by cleaning our cupboards, wardrobes, or cleaning work. So it allow us to remove our frustration and all. So that
Basically
is how
this
we
is
divert our mind from our thinking level.
You know what's the problem with Gen Z and millennials? They think that to overcome anxiety and stress, they need to drink and smoke, which is a stereotype, which is very wrong. Like I personally don't drink and smoke, but I even have anxiety, but still I overcome it. Like I don't do meditation, but I talk to my friends, I roam, I
Or
go
just
in.
listen to a music sitting at Nariman Point. Like most of the time, I've done this also, sitting at Nariman Point and listening to music to calm myself and my thinking. There are at times due to anxiety and all, and as you rightly said, the generation, they try to do attempt of suicide or anything harm to themselves physically, which is I probably think is very incorrect, harming self.
And some people they try to suicide because of relationship issues and stuff, and
And
it is
social media is the
exactly
cause.
which is wrong. Like you cannot give your life for someone else. It's very wrong. Like आप उनके साथ 2 months थे 3 months थे 2 years थे but आप अपने साथ तो 20 years थे ना. So this
Agreed what you said, it makes valid point, but secondly, uh, posting their relationships on this and then like dislike, all of this is a part of, and which affects mental health a lot and your thinking process. You are not being more fruitful, you come towards.
I got it. Like even all the Gen Zs would relate what you guys are
Yes,
saying. Okay, so thanks for your time. Thank
thank
you
you,
so much.
thank
Thank
you.
you.